since my slope is -1/2, what that means is from that y-intercept, I'm going to go down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, and so on until I get to the edge of the paper. We've talked about how the opposite of going down and to the right is to go up and to the left. So I'm going to do that the opposite direction, up 1, left 2, over and over and over until I get to the edge of the paper, and then use my straight edge to connect my points. And then again, labeling my line as it says in the instructions. And then one last equation, y equals -2/5 x plus 4. I'm just going to go ahead and plot those points. So -10, +8, -5, 6, 0, 4, 5, 2, and 10, 0. And then connect these. I did have to make those dots bigger because, again, they kind of intersect with other lines that we've already got going on, which is the point of stained glass. You don't just want a bunch of parallel lines. They should intersect. So I made those dots bigger, but again, I would do this in pencil first and then either erase my big dots or just make my dots smaller as I graph it. So this is how you finish your graph. And then the last step, your assignment for Friday, is to color it like a stained glass window. If you haven't seen stained glass windows before, basically what they would do is just in each of these different zones, you would color it different. So you could come up with some sort of pattern or color scheme, but it shouldn't all be one color, and each zone should have its own kind of colored area. That doesn't mean that you need 50 different colors. You can reuse colors, but typically with stained glass, it wouldn't all be like pink, 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 unless it was different shades. So that is the end of this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and email me. The biggest things, just as a reminder, when you turn this in, I should get a scanned copy of your 12 tables. And then I should also clearly be able to see your lines and the equations for each of the 12 lines. And then this should be colored.